Quick trade recap because it's mad late. Session opened. There was actually a trade today. Holy shit. I didn't take just because I don't know. Well, okay, so I'll explain why. First off, we had a bearish bias because from yesterday we were still bearish from this. Swept topside to become more bearish. And at the time of open, price hadn't swept anything good bottom side. On open, it swept, not on open, 15 after, it swept good liquidity on NASDAQ, but even better on ES, like some actual decent shit. So from that, we were kind of like, oh, are we long? But bias is still bearish, so we don't want to get fucked up here. Which, as you can see, it comes bearish at 10:15, way later. But during session, it's mad sideways, so it sweeps. We finally get breaker structure here. And then it's really awkward. I'll explain it a bit. Get break structure. Then we get this little fair value gap here. It's tiny and it doesn't exist on NASDAQ, but price respects it and moves bullish to the order block. As you can see, order block take profits are the best. Look at that, bang, bang, just infinitely sexy order block take profits. So you could have got in on this, and we should have, but we were just a bit iffy with the bias because it was bearish, but it just swept good bottom side liquidity. But then again, the price action was good to the sweep, but then it was just fucking sideways and bullshit. But then again, this is what happens. And when the fair value gaps are created, and it's only a single fair value gap created after the breaker structure, 9.9 times out of 10, it'll respect it and move in your direction accordingly. So I should have been in position here. But low-key, I was going to do this shit with stop loss below fair value gap, which would have stopped out, obviously. That's just another learning opportunity. Got to keep it below the closest lows or highs. Good learning. And this was also decent here because... But then afterwards, we get the inverse of this fair value gap, and then we get this fair value gap, and I was like, surely it'll tap in before it runs to order block, which it didn't. And that's why I dialed for this shit, because ES was the sweeping pair also. So for it to tap this fair value gap makes sense. But it was just, the bias was just a bit, because as you can see, during the session, just literally from 6:20, 7:20, for an hour it's sideways, and then from here, 8:30, 9:30, it's more sideways. Like, it's just bullshit. Yeah, good learning. Should have been in long off this. Trust the strat. Sweet. Breaker structure. Divergence. Very good. Very nice. Yeah, that's it. But, like, maybe there was a short here eventually. I mean, it looks like it. Breaker structure. If you say it sweeps these equal highs. Breaker structure on the 20 candle. Oh, whoops, come back. 20. So here it's done. Then from there you get the value up. No touch. Oh, there's not really anything actually. Get it up here. This candle. Oh, on ES it happens. Yeah, I would count that shit. But you'd have to see the sweep of these shitty highs, which Because we were bearish and we were obviously looking for it to take these highs or something, and just fucking hasn't, and it didn't. Coming into New York, probably gonna get, yeah, just swept this big shit down the bottom. New York always gets the sexy shit. It's coming to break structure, and then they'll get an entry with this fair value gap or another one created. Like, it's calm. Should have been long here. That's calm. Good learns. It's good. It's good.